What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It is the most wonderful time of the year. We got ourselves a Tesla. It's been a while since I've done one of these. By the way, guys, I know it's in a couple days, but Merry Christmas. Let's check out this Model X and see what we're working with here. Say what you want about Tesla, but some of the toys on these are pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. As usual, we start in the back seat. You can actually raise this up a bit more. Yeah. I'm taller, I need a bit more room to get in. And we got adjustable back seats. That's pretty sick. Not gonna test the third row. Wish I had a little bit more leg room. Let's close this up. Oh, wrong button. Alright, let's see how the squeaks do. This is a very dark interior, by the way, so I apologize for bad lighting. A little bit of looseness going on over here. Don't like that. Ooh, the B pillar's a little squeaky. Oh man, this video is getting a little grainy. Like I said, difficult lighting. This camera's gonna work extra hard to get that lighting, but the image might appear a bit grainy, so I apologize, guys. Oh! Oh! We got some dirt nasty squeaks right over here, guys. Oh man, I hope the front's a little bit better. Anyway, let's open this up. I always thought these doors were cool, by the way. And you can also close them with this little guy here. One thing I'm not particularly big on Teslas is exterior panel gap fitments. Let me show you. Now I've seen this quite a bit on other Teslas. This one's not as bad as I've seen, but it's still not quite, you know, up to my standard here. It's like this could be a little better. Same here. Yeah, just little tiny stuff like that. Again, I've seen worse. Let's see how it is on the other side. I don't even care that I'm not doing the interior at the moment. So look at this little crap right here. Damn. Oh man. Got a little bit. Come on. Oh man, Big Daddy Elon Musk, please build me a better car. Oh, we got a little bit of moisture developing in the taillights. You know what, I'm not going to say anything else. I'm getting a bit sidetracked here. Ah. Come on, Daddy Elon. You're second richest man in the world. You could build a better car for me. But maybe the front seat area will do pretty good. If that upsets me, then at least I can play with the whoopee cushion feature. That'll distract me. on, man. Couple little micro squeaks right around this little thing here for the window switches. Please focus. There we go. See, I told you this would be a little dark. You know why? It's because this big bright screen takes up all the light and the camera focuses on the screen, so the rest of the side areas from the screen are darker than they really are. Again, I apologize. Ooh. And there is no overhead console. Now let's do the button test. And remember, guys, if you're big Tesla fans, you know that Tesla uses Mercedes-Benz buttons and levers for some of their stuff. They have a contract with Daimler to do that. So these window switches, for example, are you would find those in like a Mercedes GLE. But let's try it out. Oop. I forgot the car is turned on. I'm not gonna lie, this button test is kind of useless now at this point because there's not a whole hell of a lot in the way of buttons in this car. The car is already turned on. I don't have to hit the final button that I do in my usual videos because you just put your foot on the brake and go, as long as the key is inside. I guess that concludes the test. Anyway, how did it do? Well, I'm not gonna lie, there were a couple of creaks in here. Not the worst I've seen, not the best either. I'd say this is consistent with maybe some other Mercedes models, actually, and that's considering too that there's some buttons and switches in here that are directly from Daimler. Like I said, could be better, could be a lot worse, so I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10 for fit and finish, which I think is fair. And I'm not counting the panel gap inconsistency on the exterior trim, because that's not part of this review. I just happened to look at it. As far as materials go, things are looking a little bit brighter. Not perfect though. I've always thought that Tesla interiors look nice and they look modern and sleek, but they look incomplete. Like it's a concept car almost. Like, it feels like something's missing. The wood they put in the Tesla though is pretty good though. Let's get a little zoom on that. Feels like exposed green wood. I don't know if it's real wood or synthetic. It does feel good though to the touch. And then we got soft touch material up here, down here, down here. Not the highest quality feeling soft touch, if I'm honest, but it is better than plastic. These seats, from what I understand, I don't think Tesla makes real leather in their seats, or if they do, it's a lower quality leather. I don't know if it's a man-made or imitation thing. I know a lot of EV vehicle makers, they use like vegan leather or just goofy stuff like that to make the animal lovers happy. I don't know if this is that, but this is leather. It's not the best feeling leather, but it doesn't feel that bad either. So there's no really hard, crappy plastic like even here. It's soft touch. I think it's the same material that's on the seats actually. It's not bad. And then there really is no headliner unless you go back here. But it is Alcantara. The pillars are Alcantara. And the sun visor, the really slim sun visor, is Alcantara, which actually makes me happy. So material wise, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. Actually, you know what? 7 out of 10. Not many car makers do the Alcantara sun visor and headliner thing. That's getting hard to find now. So there we go, 7 out of 10 for materials. So there you guys have it. Final score is 6 out of 10 for fit and finish. That's 7 out of 10 for materials. Anyway, this car does good in other ways. Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and the stock will go up, which makes people really happy. And the car plays fart noises. There you have it. Distract your kids for a while so they just stop screaming in the car. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you think, and Merry Christmas. Peace.